Hey guys, here we're back on another development, another apartment complex. Welcome back to the Rush Ramon Review channel. Um, we're here on Wellington Drive. This connects back to Mona Road or to Old Hope Road. We're gonna look at development. This one is by JMMB Bank. I think most of the development that I've reviewed so far is by JMMB. I think they're leading. If you're new to the channel, guys, subscribe for more content like this. Subscribing is absolutely free. Trying to get the channel to 10,000 subscribers. So let's take a walk. Let's take a look at this development. Let me know what you guys think in terms of the location. I'm not sure if we'll see the design, but let me know your comments in terms of location and everything. They will have a good view in terms of the construction up that side. A lot of beautiful houses up that side, so this new development will have a good view. And of course the embassy is just in front, the embassy road. Let me show you guys what's behind me. So this is Bamboo Avenue, leads to the back gate of the embassy. And that's the US embassy. So this is Wellington Drive. Um, so again, leave your likes, leave your comment, and remember to share this video so that more persons can see. I think the Chinese is a part of this construction. So they have gone down with the construction for the first level. Not sure how much levels they are going, and I don't see the picture of the final product. So if you guys know it will look in terms of the final product, if you guys know the name of this construction as well, you can definitely let me know. So if you guys know the name, you can let me know. Alright, so we see Chinese are working on this construction and alongside Jamaicans as well. Not sure how many floors it will be. Alright guys, that's about it. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Subscribing is free. We'll take a drive out to Old Hope Road so you guys see how to get here. Alright.